MT02 connector to the wheelchair. Okay, first you have to loosen these 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can adjust to the length of the connector according to the width of your wheelchair. Please make sure this one should face to the front and with the screw on the back. Screw is on the back. You connect with your manual chair like this way and this way and this way. All are okay. When you find the right position, then you can take it off and tighten the screw. You have to make sure this round bit locked in this circle. Okay? Then the connector will not go outside. So these screws are tightening, then you can connect with your manual wheelchair. And then tighten these 2 clamps. Finish now. And press this button and put the connector inside. Make sure this screw is on the top side. Okay, then you can connect to the manual wheelchair with the handbike. First, you have to press this gas lock button and then connect and then tighten this screw. Make